That's the first thing I would suggest you. And then, second thing, just open your Windows search, type in Epic Games Launcher, right-click on it, click on Open File Location. Again, click on, right-click on it and click on Open File Location. And then we're going to, when we are in the app setting, app data here, just right-click on the application, Epic Games Launcher.exe, and tick on Properties, and then switch over to the Compatibility tab. And here we have to set a few settings. First of all, I would always suggest you to try running the program in compatibility mode, and then I'll just use Windows 8. And then down here at the settings, I would always suggest you to disable full screen optimizations and to run this program as an administrator, so that this every time we started, it automatically starts as administrator, and then just click on Apply, click on OK, and we can already close this, and then just try opening it again, and then the issue should be fixed. If so, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you've got any questions left, just leave them in the comment section below. Then I will write you back as soon as possible, and then we will surely find a solution. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you a wonderful day. Bye.